vault that you did, you're officially the greatest, highest vaulter in the world right now. How did you feel about that when you saw the score?
After first vote, hindi ko po talaga tinignan yung screen agad. I know mataas yung score ko, pero may isa pa po kasi akong vault eh. So, kahit yung replays, di ko na napanood kasi sobrang naka-focus po ako. And I think, you know, maganda naman po yung nagawa ko today. And para sa akin, hindi rin ako makapaniwala na na-stick ko siya. Pero kahapon, medyo may feeling na ako na kaya ko siyang gawin na good landing. And we're parang nag-uusap-usap kami na pag na-stick ko to may plus point to kasi nung kahapon di po na na-count.
Bonus point ko dapat.
Hindi po na-count yung bonus point ko sa last part. So, like, we're like, ano po, making jokes. Na pag na-stick ko bukas to, may plus points ako. And I was like making bet to Coach Adrian as well. Na, Coach Adrian, pag na-stick ko siya, ice cream ako yung mga ganun. Yes po, yes po. So, yeah.
Ano nabago din sa mindset mo from yesterday to today? Anong binago mong mindset from yesterday? After yung bronze mo, anong iniisip mo para makabawi ka?
Di po siya parang iniisip, parang more on pakiramdam siya. Mas na-feel ko na mas motivated ako sa nangyari kahapon. Although I'm not disappointed at all po, I'm really grateful and I'm really grateful to God that lahat kami nakapag-perform well and lahat nagawa namin yung kung ano yung gusto namin gawin sa performance namin. It's just mababa lang po talaga yung difficulty ko and kinapos talaga sa execution and that's alright. It's competition. Nangyayari po talaga siya. Sa akin, na-appreciate ko lahat, every moment na nandito ako and doon pa lang, panalo na po sa journey na to.
Sinasabi mo kanina ba sa mga foreign press na you channeled your Mamba mentality? Ano yung kaya nagkano ka kanina?
Yeah, hindi ko push talaga, parang hindi ako aware na gagawin ko siya. Parang nangyari lang siya na ginawa ko siya. Yeah. Kasi sa training camps and pag nagte-training kami, palagi ko sinasabi Mamba mentality and Kobe is one of my idols po. Hindi pagdating sa, magaling siya obviously sa basketball talaga, super galing talaga. Pero yung mental po talaga, may tama yung mata, the way siya maglaro, alam mong bibitaw niya lahat at walang sasayangin oras. So yung ginawa ko kanina, gumanon ako, ganun. Yung ginawa niya po yun sa sa Olympics. Yung kalaban po nila yata yung Spain. Not too sure, pero napanood ko yung documentary na yun, yung Dream Team. And nag-goosebump po talaga ako dun. And tumatak lang siya talaga unconsciously. And yeah, that's why I did that.
Overall, bronze and gold, how would you assess your overall performance?
Yeah,
Kasi third gold and second gold po.
sa floor, going back to it po, last 2019 pa po ako nag-podium finish. So, yeah, it's really a big exposure and experience also for me. Kasi, paano po ba? 2019,
2021 po, kita po siya.
22, 23, and 23. So, three times po akong na-miss ko yung floor. And ngayon, like, kahit bronze siya, it doesn't mean hindi ka talo ka, hindi po yun eh. Pinakita mo yung best mo. And personally, 2 event lang yung nasalihan ko this time. But I'm really happy po and grateful na nakapasok po ako both sa floor and vault. And doon pa lang, like, super happy na po ako and grateful.
Nag-sink in na ba sa'yo na history, you're in history na yun na, pinakamataas na ngayon umabot
Yeah.
ng voter.
Grabe po, grabe. Parang kahapon lang, nagbibiruan lang po kami na, paano pag naka-15 ako, yung mga ganang biruan po. Parang, ako pa lang siguro mga 15 kapag nakapag-15 ako. And it really did happen. And I think like, manifestation also works. And also, like, it's all God. Like, really, siya talaga yon. Yung nakita nyo kanina, instrumento lang po ako na ginamit ni Lord para makamit yung ganong performance. Para sa akin, sobrang perfect na po.
Alam mo,
Na,
same message, same
Yeah.
words from Coach Nadal kanina
Thank
when
you.
we talked to him. Pero kinabahan ka ba nung si Armenia na yung nag-perform?
Nakuha naman po. Actually, I was really enjoying them. Like, watching them.
So hindi ka upset?
No, they're really good vaulters po. Like, as you can see, you cannot deny it na ganun yung performance nila. Like, mga veterano po talaga, and makikita mong pinaghirapan po talaga nila yung performance na yun. So, like, well-deserved po sa lahat po.
From the media stand where I was standing kanina, nakita ko nung lumabas na yung result ni Armenia, you actually rejoiced then.
Yes po.
That was a big relief. right?
Yes po. Kasi siya po yung number 1 na kalaban ko eh. I mean, competitive. Yung malapit po sa score ko. So, yeah, it was really a good fight po today.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You
Thank you.
deserve it.
Salamat po.
Club team, ano